Hello, Pioneers.
On today's agenda, we'll be going over
Wrestling,
wheel chocolate trivia.
student interviews. My name is Efren.
And my name is Mario, and welcome to your Pioneer Report.
Hi, I'm Aiden Luna. I'm a Mount Whitney wrestler. I'm a senior.
I'm Michael Garza. I'm also a Mount Whitney wrestler, and I'm also a senior.
I'm Julian Romero. I'm also a senior, and I wrestle for the Mount Whitney wrestling team.
My record is 13-11.
Put me on the spot like that, but I think it's 2-3 now, or 3-2. So
I'm currently 14-12.
I think personally, it's a roller coaster. It's tough. Gotta watch what you eat. Always gotta be working. Always be sweating.
Throwing up.
Yeah, definitely. I see a lot of throw up. Probably the most in wrestling.
I mean, try not to break anything. I mean, that's the main part.
Oh yeah, like injuries, huh?
Yeah. It's just kind of pain. That's about it.
Ooh, I'm gonna let you go first.
I won't drink or eat anything for the first day before that, and then once you get there, just get a fattest Subway sandwich you can find and just stack it in your backpack. That's about it. The reason is after you weigh in, you can just eat like a gordo for the whole time after, replenish yourself like a raisin.
Yeah, you try not to eat because you gotta stay on weight. If you miss it by 0.1, you can't wrestle. So like as soon as you're done weighing in, you go drink a whole gallon of water.
The way I personally prep for a meet, if I have a meet that day in the morning, I'll just have a Cliff Bar, and at lunch I'll just have like chips and water, and that's it. And then I'll wait for the meet. Once I weigh in, I do what Garza said, and I just stuff my face with a Subway sandwich, big ol' steak and cheese from Subway. They're really good too.
Actually, I know I got Oscar slaughter disease one time. That was pretty bad. It's where like a bone grows through your tendon. That was probably the most painful. I felt like I had a seizure, but
Me personally, I haven't got injured too bad, but the worst injury I've had is I've got hit in my groin.
I think the worst injury I had was during practice too. It wasn't even during like a meet or like anyone good. It was wrestling with my partner Chewy or Juju or whatever you want to, we were wrestling. He mat returned me, and I stuck my elbow out or my arm out to catch myself before I got slammed, and my elbow, it popped inwards. So your elbow's supposed to go outwards like this, and this time it went inwards. And then when he fell on top of me, it landed back into place. So it popped out and then popped back in, and I heard both snaps. Really brutal stuff. It sucked. And afterwards, I got up and I was like, yeah, it's terrible.
The best experience, just freshman year divisionals was pretty fun until I lost and then I cried. But that was pretty fun, but probably highlight of my life.
All right, my best experience probably was at a past tournament. I was going against a Redwood kid, and I was getting dookied on. It was like 12-3, and in the third period, I pinned him with a cradle.
I'd probably say when I was going for the first time, or this is, I've only been there twice. It was when I was 11 years old. I went to state. It was a really cool experience, and when I walked in the building, it was just like this huge coliseum. It looked like an NFL bleachers, but indoors, and it was just massive. But it was also a bunch of kids in there that were like scrappy, and they were mean. I went like 1-3. Did not last very long. So definitely the highlight though, just making it to state.
Wow, Mario, very proud of you.
Thank you. Now let's move on to our wheel chocolate trivia.
Students, good job answering those questions.
Now let's head on to our student interview, Valentine's edition.
Hi, I'm Natalie Martinez, and I'm here with,
Miguel Ayala.
and I'm going to be asking him some Valentine's Day questions. So question number 1, would you rather have flowers or chocolates?
I'd rather have flowers.
And true or false, do women spend more money on Valentine's Day gifts?
False.
The answer is false.
I'm Sofia Florez, and I'm here with Nicole. Do you prefer to be single or taken?
Single.
Would you rather have flowers or chocolate?
Depends what kind of day it is. If it's rainy, I want
Valentine's
flowers.
Day.
If it's hot, I want chocolate.
Hi, and today I'm here with,
Moises.
and we're going to ask Moises some questions. Question number 1, if you had to pick any celebrity to be your Valentine, who would it be?
Tom Holland.
Okay. True or false, women spend more money on Valentine's Day gifts?
Women? False.
The answer was false. Men spend more money on Valentine's Day.
No way.
And I'm here with.
Fatima?
Would you rather have flowers or chocolate?
Chocolates.
What do you think is the most romantic movie?
Princess and the Frog.
Sorry for those that are single. You guys find somebody soon.
Thank you guys for tuning in.
Students, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos.
And make sure to follow us on Instagram.
Until next time,
This has been your Pioneer Report.